sales, right? Law school doesn't teach you sales. They don't teach you how to get a client. They only teach you what to do after you get the client.
Your advice to others who might be considering working with the Magneto Effect?
So first, it works. Okay. Second, it's not conventional, but I think it works because it's not conventional. Okay. And so, in April, I still had the junior associate, and I was bought in, right? Me as the owner of the firm, I was bought in to what you were selling me. My junior associate wasn't. And so I had to keep telling him, trust the process. Like this works. You like stop, sales, right? Law school doesn't teach you sales. They don't teach you how to get a client. They only teach you what to do after you get the client.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
But you can't run a practice unless you know how to get clients and talk to, do the consultation, all that kind of stuff. Right.
Yeah. And we support you in that, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. Right. And so, so you had meetings with me and my junior associate and nailing down the sales process.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of psychology that goes into it. And I know that because I read up and listen on Audible, on books all the time. And so I'm like, oh, Grant's saying this, because I know it works because these 5 other books told me this is what you're supposed to do. And this is how Grant's doing it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, sure.
And, because the books tell you, hey, you do X works, but they don't tell you how to implement it. Right. They just say, reassure the client. You know what I mean?
But how do you do that? Yeah.
Right. And then, that was really the thing that sold me. And I knew it even in the initial call. I was telling my wife, I'm like, this guy's a great salesman. I like him because I can see all of the strategies that I had learned before I ever called you. You were using them on me. but
no one's ever going to talk to me after you called me a salesman. No one's ever going to talk to me. I don't care about his results. I'm not talking to Grant. He's a salesman. Anyway.
but if you can't do it, how can you teach me how to do it? Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Great point. Yeah. No, I think a lot of people in this industry that I'm in don't understand all of the money in this industry that gets made from online marketing happens when you get them offline, right? The whole purpose of digital marketing or any form of marketing is to get them in front of you or on the phone so you can understand what their problems are and help them solve them. But you can't do that if they're not on the phone, right?
Right.